Hello everyone. This project will be applying the various image processing filters using for OpenCV and NumPy and Collab and using for Learner and Grace, Grayscale and Conversion, edge detection and SciPy effect and Blue and more all using for Python. First of all, First of all, import the necessary libraries: OpenCV for image processing and NumPy for numerical operation and matplotlib pyplot is for displaying that images and NumPy are also working different works and mathematical operations like matrices like that. Images from the TensorFlow in case we need to advance image processing and files from the collab upload and download the files like we upload our desktop images or upload the downloaded files like that. And next step we will upload our image, create that one object is upload is equals to files dot upload. They automatically ask for we use upload the image from the computer to collab enrollment. After that, cv to email m, mreaded to load them image. Open cv loaded image in like using for bgr by the default, so we convert into RGB for correct color display. BRB and default we convert the RGB for correct color displaying, and now we convert the image and grayscale using for OpenCV grayscale images and useful for many operations like edge detection and also sketches and also like this process are applying for and apply for edge apply for edge detection and Canny edge detection highlight that edges and outliers and it's useful in computer version tasks. And now function can increase that and decrease the brightness and contact using. And also we are apply for create that one function, apply the scipy and image and scipy filter is equals to numpy dot array. Create that matrices 3 into 4 3 into 6 matrices. After that open cv tensor from image and scipy and filter. We apply the scipy filter which gives the old photo effect and uses the custom matrix to transform the pixels colors. And now Gaussian Blue method and smooths and images and reducing the noises and in detail pixels and pixels. And last then is sketch filter and this filters turn the photo into pencil sketch. It inverts that image and blends with blue color. Now here are the blend of original image with the color edge and map using for this gives to stylish and CNN like effect. Now we use the matplotlib to show all all images results side by side for the easy comparison. Now finally we save the final image of and we give the optional download it and Now we will improve